number 31. The question is find intercept of the following lines on the axis. First question. Question number 31. First one. 5x plus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. So we want to find out intercept. So intercept on x-axis equal to, you can see, to find out intercept on x-axis, take y equal to 0. So you will get value of x, and that is nothing but intercept on x-axis. So put y equal to 0 and tell me the answer. If you put y equal to 0, what we get in this equation?
X equal to minus 9 upon 5. Oh,
If you put
sorry,
y
sir.
equal to 0,
0, 7, 0. 2 upon 5. Minus 2 upon 5.
correct. So this is the value of x. Therefore, intercept on x-axis is minus 2 by 5. Now intercept on y-axis. So you require to calculate the value of y by putting x equal to 0. So we get x-axis is minus 2 by 5 and y-axis is minus 2 by 7. That is the answer. Same way, question number 2. What we have to do? Same thing, you can write direct answer. Question is 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Put x is 0 and tell me the value. If x is 0, then what we
2,
get?
2 into 0 minus 3 y plus 5
So
equal
this
to
is 0. So minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So
3y.
take 3. Yes,
3
equal
is
to
equal to
5.
5. Y equal to 5 upon 3.
So this is the answer for intercept on y-axis, because it is the answer of y. Intercept on y-axis is 5 by 3. Now put x equal y equal to 0. If y is 0, then what we get? 2x minus 3 into 0 plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, intercept on x-axis is minus 5 by 2. So intercept on x-axis minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, and other one is 5 by 3. So this is the simple way to find out intercept. We had already discussed meaning of intercept. Let us discuss once again what is the meaning of intercept. Intercepts on the axis. What is the meaning of intercept on the axis? If we have a, let us assume this is first quadrant only, and there is one line like this. So this part is known as intercept on x-axis, this part. So the distance from origin to the intersecting point, so this distance is intercept on x-axis. Obviously on x-axis the value of y is 0 and x is something, let us say a, and this part is known as intercept on y-axis. Here let us say this is b, so here x is 0 and y is something, let us say b. So this part is intercept on y-axis and this part is intercept on x-axis. So just put, if you want to find out the intercept on x-axis, put y equal to 0. If you want to find out intercept on y-axis, put x equal to 0. In that way we get the value of intercept on x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let us discuss one another important question. Question number 4. Now if we have a two intercept and if you want to find out equation of a line, then how to find out it? So the question is obtain the equation of a line having intercept on x-axis A and intercept on y-axis B. So we want to find out equation of a line having intercept on x-axis A and intercept on y-axis B. So how to find out the answer of this? Okay, how to find out? See, first of all, let us draw the diagram. Here intercept on x-axis is A and y-axis is B is given. So let us say this is line L. We want to know the intercept on x-axis is A. So this is A0 and intercept on y-axis is B. So let us say this is point B. So it is 0B. And if we have this two, and if you want to find out equation of line L, how to find out? So let us take one point P on line XY. So let us see how to write in exam. Let point PXY is on line L and intercept on x-axis is A. So let point A is A0 on y-axis is B. Intercept on y-axis is B. So let the point B is, let the point B is 0B. Now these 3 points are on line L. The points A, P and B are on the same line, are collinear points, means they are on the same line. Therefore slope of AP equal to slope of AP equal to slope of PB, means that slopes should be same because they are collinear. Taking slope of AP equal to slope of this, because we have a 2 points here known 2 points are A and B, so always one should be slope of AP and other one either you can write AP or PB, any one of these two as one side, and other side you have to write slope of AP. Now tell me, see the points A and P and tell me the formula for slope of AP. Slope of AP, we know 2 points A and P. What is the slope? Which formula we have to
0
use?
minus y
0 minus y upon,
upon a minus x.
correct, A minus x equal to, now slope of AB. Tell me slope of AB.
0 minus
0 minus
b
B upon,
a minus 0.
correct. So 0 minus B upon A minus 0. So simplify. So what we get? Minus y upon a minus x equal to minus b upon a. Cross multiply and tell me the answer.
Minus yab minus y
Minus ay
ay
equal to,
minus b ab minus ab
hmm,
plus xb
or bx. Perfect. Now take this minus ab left side and minus ay right side. So what we get? Tell me.
ab is equal to ay plus bx.
AB equal to
Ay
ay
plus bx.
plus bx, or you can write bx plus ay equal to ab. Now this is the answer, but let us divide each term by AB. Dividing each term by AB, we get, now tell me what we get. If we divide each term by AB, what we get?
X upon a
Bx upon AB plus
plus
AY upon
ay
AB equal to AB upon AB. Yes, therefore,
x upon a
plus
plus y upon b
equal to
1.
1, and this is the formula. So if we know intercept on x-axis and y-axis, so by using this, so let us start. Examples depends on this. See the question. A line cuts off inter 3 and 4 on x and y axis respectively. Find the equation. So see how to find out the equation. 3 and 4 here. So intercept on the axis is 3 and 4. So here a equal to 3 and b equal to 4, and we have to find out equation. So equation is, obviously we have to use this formula and put the values. x upon 3 plus y upon 4 equal to 0, sorry, equal to 1. Okay, and then simplify. Take 12 LCM. So we get 4x plus 3y. Take 12 in another side. So our final answer is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So if we know intercept on the axis, then we get the answer. See, 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. That is the answer. See, question number 33. The the x-intercept of a line is 3 times its y-intercept. X-intercept is 3 times of y-intercept. That is we have to give one. So here x-intercept is 3 times y-intercept. So a equal to 3b is given. And it passes through the point 3,5. Find the equation. And point is given. One point is given 3,5. And we have to find out equation. But here we don't know exact value of a and b. Only one thing is given. Intercept. Intercept on x-axis is 3 times intercept on y-axis. And point is given. So what we have to do? See, first of all, you have to write equation. Equation is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Now in place of a you can write 3b, but b is unknown here. So what you have to do, you have to use this point, and this is the value of x and this one is the value of y, that you have to substitute in this equation. So in place of x you have to write 3, and in place of y you have to write 5 equal to 1. You can cancel this 3. So we get 1 upon b plus 5 upon b equal to 1. You can take b LCM and take b in another side. So we get b equal to 6 and a equal to 3b. Therefore a equal to 18. So now we know the value of a and b. A is 18 and b is 6. So now a equal to 18 and b equal to 6. Now equation is, now use the once again the same formula, x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. So x upon 18 plus y upon 6 equal to 1. What is LCM here? 18 is LCM. So we get x plus 3y. So we get x plus 3y equal to 18. So we get x plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. This is our final answer. X plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 18 equal to 0. That is the answer. Okay, let us do this question 34. Question number 34. See the question carefully. A line passes through 2, 5. So point is given 2, 5. And makes intercept on the axis equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So intercepts are equal in value. Magnitude means their values are same but opposite in sign. So if intercept on x-axis is 3, then y-axis is minus 3. But we don't know whether it's 3 or what. But only one thing is given, intercept on the axis are equal in magnitude. Magnitude means value but opposite in sign. So what is the relation between a and b? They are equal but opposite in sign. So what we have to write? A equal to b means they are equal but opposite in sign. So you have to write a equal to minus b. A equal to minus b. So now it's same like previous one. Equation is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Substitute all value. What is x? What we have to
2.
write x? 2. 2 upon
A
a is what? Minus b.
minus B.
Y equal to
5
upon
B.
b. You can write this 2 upon minus b is minus 2 upon b plus 5 upon b equal to 1. Take b LCM. We get minus 2 plus 5. Take b in another side. What is b?
3
3. So what is a?
minus 3 plus minus 3.
Correct. Now we know a and b. So once again equation is put value of a and b. X upon minus 3 plus y upon 3. So you can write minus x upon 3 plus y upon 3. Take 3 LCM. Take 3 in another side. And take xy in another side. And tell me the answer. Take xy.
X minus Y plus 3.
Correct. So this is our final answer. X minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Question number 35. Try to solve by yourself. Let us discuss this question. A line passing through the point of intersection of this and this. So a line passing through the point of intersection. So first of all, solve these two equations. So you will get 1 point like this. You will get 1 point, and then remaining part is same. Makes the intercept on the both the axes equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So what is the difference between these two example? In 34, point is already given. In 35, first of all you have to find out point, and then the rest of part is same like as question number 35 34. So consider that this is your homework. Okay, now let us do this question number 36 first. A line passing through 2 5. So 1 point is given. And slope is minus 1 by 2. Slope is given. And what we have to find out? Intercept on y-axis. Intercept on y-axis. We have to find out intercept on y-axis. So first of all find out equation and then put x equal to 0. You will get the value of y. So first we have to find out equation. So equation, which formula we have to use when point and slope is given?
Y minus Y1. Hello. Hello.
Slope is given.
Hello.
Yes, please, yes.
Y minus Y1
Hmm.
is equal to M
Equal to,
into X minus X1.
and consider this is your x1 and y1. Point is given. So you can consider this as x and y. Even though you will get the answer, but you will get the answer in terms of x1 and y1. It's better to assume this is x1, y1 in this. Y minus 5.
5. 1 upon 2 X minus 2.
Take 2 in this side and multiply.
2Y minus 10
Equal to
minus X plus 2.
minus x plus 2. Wait for 1 minute. So yes, once again, 2y minus 10 equal to,
minus x plus 2.
so take this minus x and 2 in another side.
X
Final
plus 2y minus 12.
minus 12. X plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. This is equation. Now put x equal to, we want intercept on y axis. So taking x equal to 0. What we get? 0
2y
plus y minus 12 equal to 0. So 2y equal to 12. So
12.
y equal to 6. So
6.
intercept on y axis is 6. Intercept on y axis equal to 6. That is our final answer. Okay, see question number 39, 36 second one. The slope of line is 1 upon 10. Find the value of k. Slope of line is given. Slope of line is given. Slope of 2x plus ky plus 1 equal to 0 is 1 upon 10. And we want to find out k. Okay, so first of all, how to find out slope?
Slow. Uh, take ky
Convert into,
to
yeah, ky equal to,
minus 2x minus 1
convert this in y. So what we have to do? Divide.
by k.
Yes. Therefore, slope equal to, what is slope here?
Minus 2 upon k.
And that is equal to given 1 upon 10.
10
So cross multiply.
minus 20 is equal to k.
So k equal to minus 20. That is the answer. So try to solve this question by yourself. And this is enough for today. You can also consider this is your homework 38. So this is enough for today. If you have any question, you can ask your doubt. Any question to anybody?
No, sir.